Hi, and welcome to Spike.
Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are walking through the new Spike app for Slack. Before we start, head over to Slack's setting inside Spike and reconnect the app. This will unlock everything you're about to see. Let's get into it. Spike now has AI inside Slack, and you can just talk to Spike directly. It can triage an incident for you. You can see who's on call, add notes, and even trigger incidents outright. It's a fair bit of actions you can do, all without leaving Slack. Say you want to declare an incident, just tag Spike and talk about your incident. Also, you can mention if you want the incident in a specific team. Now, it'll trigger the incident and open a thread for it. Now, this is the new incident alert. We've cleaned it up massively. There's acknowledge, resolve, and we've bought adding note right outside. So it's so much easier to add resolution notes or just regular notes if you want on incidents. Every action you do, Spike will just add a thread to it. So it's cleaner. You can also now fetch the entire incident payload by clicking on fetch details. Right? You can also bring the entire activity log of the incident so you can understand what's been happening. And like before, you can escalate the incident as well. I'll just go ahead and acknowledge this one. Very importantly, at all times, you can now create a new channel for the incident, and you can also trigger a Statuspage incident and sync with this incident. Now let's go ahead and do that. I'll just add this really fast. Alright, so select components and tell your subscribers what's going on. Right. So now the incident is synced with the Statuspage incident. You resolve it here and it resolves up there too. Over in Spike, you can see the same incident with the link status attached. The Statuspage is available on all tiers, so it's available for all users. So it's worth a look if you haven't set it up yet. And there's more than one way to create an incident. Say your team is working through an issue or a discussion, you can just click the message and trigger an incident. Spike will query the context and write it up for you. Or you can open a thread and just ask Spike to trigger an incident about the entire discussion that's been going on. And Spike will carry the whole conversation context around it. Alright, voila. Now, Spike has created this incident. You can see that the incident message or the alert is here. I'll just go ahead and resolve it. The moment I resolve it, Spike will drop an emoji reaction on the original thread, so anyone reading later knows how the discussion ended. From here, we can add resolution note. We like to add resolution notes for all incidents here at Spike. I'll just mark it as false alarm. You can also fetch the incident details. Just ask Spike to do all of this, right? So everything you need to respond is now just a message away. No context switching, no tab hunting. So Spike sits inside Slack so your team moves faster when it counts. There's more you can do. And with on-call, you can just run the on-call command and find all the people who are on call right now. Don't be alarmed. This is our demo account. But from here, you can just add an override to any on-call. And select a person, and that's it. Done. You can also remove the override. So, yeah, that's everything we've added in the new Slack app. Thanks so much for watching. Your feedback has shaped a ton of what you just saw, so please keep them coming. Have a great day ahead.